a lot of the go-to fixes for the Ultra for a lot of guys who just want to get some speed out of it is to get that nose out of the water. So they're either using a pump wedge or they're using a really aggressive rake on a ride plate. I know when Bushman got into doing Ultras, I got my hands on one of his plates and I was running his plate for a while. And that picked me up about 1.5 miles, 2 miles an hour. And that was big for an Ultra. It was 1.5 miles. You're like, oh, dude, I'm on fire, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
But I didn't know if you were, if you were messing around with different pitch angles and they're going, hey, listen, we got to get the nose out, or we got to really cut the ride plate or extend the ride plate, or.
Right. So like the biggest thing that I learned, like when we used to race in Guadalupe in the ocean,
Okay.
rough seas, a lot harder than Catalina. Even when we ran the Marcon 300, the fastest setup we ever ran was a stock ride plate.
Oh, really?
R&D intake grate, Riva sponsons, and the nozzle was 1 bar up from flat.
Huh.
Or one down if it was choppy. Like if you had white caps or something, you go one down off of center.
Off of neutral.
You never bury it. You never raise it all the way up. You just run it. And the thing about the Ultra is it drives. It wants to be stuck to the water. That's what makes it so good in the ocean, because it has hookup. So if you change all that and start raising up the nose and lowering the nose and all that stuff, you just ruin what the hull is actually supposed to do. That thing's supposed to drive. And, if you watch Supercross, when they go across the whoops, they're on the top of the whoops, just skipping across them all. Well, the Ultra does the same thing in the ocean, or white caps or whatever. You just have to believe in the ski and hold it full throttle, and it's not going to do anything weird, pitch you to the side like a Sea-Doo or anything else. It's going to actually hold, and you just kind of become rubber on top of the ski and let that thing roll.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.